when you get to this page, what do you notice?
It has a lot of words.
A lot of words. Is it a little kind of scary? Is it a lot of words?
Yes, but I
So I want you just to start at the top and go nice and slow, one word at a time, okay? So finish, I see where the first page, here is Jack. Jack is what? Little. Okay, turn the page. You can all keep going and I'm listening.
Here is Daisy. Here is Daisy. Here is Jack.
Point for me. I want you to use your fingers still.
Here is Daisy. Daisy is little too. She Daisy. Daisy said Daisy little too. Jack said Daisy look. Here said a baby. Here is a boat. Jack look. Said about Jack and Jack What's that?
Where are you at? Let's start at the beginning. Put your finger under the first word.
And Miss Mitchell. Miss Mitchell.
I'm coming. What's this one? What might he say when he sees that big bone?
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. Jack said Jack. It is a big bone. I like bones, said Daisy. He can play with.
Can we go back? Let's do it together. We can.
She eats
Does that work? Eat.
Said
Does that work?
Daisy.
Good. Do it again.
We can eat the bone.
Where are you stuck?
Here, Jack
Ready?
looked and here.
Oops, let's cover it up. What's that first one?
The bone. The bone is too big. It said Jack. It is.
Can they eat a bone?
Yes.
So does that make sense?
Yes.
So let's do it again.
We can know, said Daisy.
Wow, excellent.